Could the end of the dollar be closer than we think? That's the question that has been raised by the renowned investor Robert Kiyosaki, who recently declared the end of the dollar. On May 22, 2025, Kiyosaki made headlines by questioning the recent Federal Reserve bond auction that had no participants. The investor, best known as the author of the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad, raised alarm about the U.S. economy, citing this failed bond auction and the Federal Reserve buying $50 billion of its own debt as signs of impending hyperinflation. This statement was widely reported and sparked concerns about the return to money printing. Kiyosaki's warnings align with historical patterns of hyperinflation and the increasing interest in hard assets like gold. If hyperinflation occurs, Americans could face rising prices and diminishing purchasing power. But Kiyosaki didn't stop at sounding the alarm. He also made some bold predictions. According to him, gold is set to skyrocket to $25,000, silver is expected to hit $70, and Bitcoin could soar to between $500,000 and $1 million. These predictions may seem extreme, but they highlight potential risks in the financial system. Kiyosaki warns of a financial collapse driven by debt, downgrades, and Federal Reserve interventions, urging investors to turn to hard assets. The takeaway from this? Kiyosaki's predictions and warnings are based on his distrust of traditional financial systems and his belief in the value retention of alternative assets like gold, silver, and Bitcoin during times of economic turbulence. Whether or not his predictions will come to pass is yet to be seen, but his statement has certainly provoked thought and discussion about the future of the dollar. In summary, Robert Kiyosaki has declared the end of the dollar, citing a failed bond auction and the Federal Reserve's actions as signs of impending hyperinflation. He predicts a significant rise in the value of gold, silver, and Bitcoin, and warns of a potential financial collapse. His views highlight the potential risks in the financial system and the importance of considering alternative assets. The future of the dollar remains uncertain, but one thing is clear. It's a topic that deserves our attention.